Hi all, Chris here with another old find of mine which I found ages ago, but I've only just got around to digging out and posting a video of it. Here it is. It's a NIKKAM Elite 810 MPD. I'm not sure what you'd call this, an adding machine or something, or receipt machine or something, but there's a plastic spindle which goes through here. I've got it somewhere, I don't know where though. There's a power switch, there it is. So, yeah, this uses a small VFD display. So, it's a cool little machine. I need some paper for it so I can use it, but I don't really know what I'd use it for. So, yeah, it's just, there it is. It's one of those another little machine I found on the roadside and rescued, so. And this does open somehow. There we go. To show the mechanism inside. It's got tiny little ink ribbons in there, and it can also print in red. Or you can, if you rotate the spools, swap them over, you can print in red ink. I don't know if there's a colour selector on this or not, but so yeah, there you have it pretty much. Okay, so cheers, Chris.